directors.
Minister Rafael Mageze n'abandi bebembeze kulgo mu district ya Bushenye na Buhwejo ebyo nababigambirizo bariyanyomwe bazyo amukoro go kutongoza amashanyarazi gasora agahiro factory igara T district ni Bushenye
bichoreka ngo okozesa amani agamashanyarazi gizo nikiza kuchendeza enshohoza yitu amashanyarazi ga factory ebichweka kinana ari 10
okutandika n'omwaka guhwire ebe y'amajani eizire negwa kurgashirinsi rukaga kusashinsi bibiri ekintu ekiretire abahinja bingi kutandika gakura okuhinga ebinde bihingwa.
Breeding. When you are traversing the tea area, growing areas, what you can see, either you are seeing some people trying to uproot, or it is just abandoned shambas. And as government, we need really to think about that.
Chimwe anshonga ezaretire okugwa kw'amajani okulja bamwe no kweyongera kwasenya erukusi wa factory eziza amajani abukuba bakashanga ngo bakoresha amashanyarazi menji. Minister Rafael Mageze nagira ngo akantu kokire okozesa aman gasora factory garati cyangirengo ebirenesha shora obuhumbe buna buri mwaka aha amashanyarazi
hata bakozire ababeno baza gukora sora ya Buhwejo batubonera company kandi yabene baza gukorana n'iyi Garati factory. So SNV project yaza Buhwejo 750 million tutwagarka twatunga heji Grips Energy erikorga Germany sponsoringire 100%.
One of the main issues is not just the unreliability of power and the power cuts, but also the issue of high costs of power. Depending on the country, different issues exist, and we've seen here for Igara and Buhwejo, the local electricity bill has been quite a challenge.
Itwaba majani tubire tufirire chumwe kunka nyonchire mere kura kandi abantu bariyo no bakura kunka nyenda kumanyisa obutwatunga agamashanyarazi agasura nanye kumuhinja yaika narambura nareba eshabantu batukorire
omugandi twazo mu Ruhinda mitoma okabireyo okuchebera no kujanja abantu abwabusha ayicyangiringo cyareza no kwera kirangwa kakoko kasirimu karuni keyongera na munonga omuri kasheshero Ruhinda district ni mitoma
nyingi ezitwashanga omukuragura kwitu twashanga abantu bakunuya especially muri mitoma abantu bine problem ya hariyo TB abantu TB twashanga TB ekanyereyo twashanga HIV abantu HIV hinenge cyanga twashanga mushaka mukunchereza mpagambe hine HIV prevalence rate almost ninkea 99%.
Ntabinja bakuzire abimyaka yakuraho nashanga bine abinji 80% okucheka kinana ari 10 babine ndwara ya pressure na shukari.
We have seen how to take the blood pressure, we have seen how to diagnose the patient, we have seen how to write a report, and we are here with my colleagues, international students from Congo, from Kenya, from Somalia, all learning to better our system of health care here in Uganda.
Okuchebera nukuragurira okukorire aramutara Health Center 3 ayicyangirengo endwara squat n'ubushambane zikanyire munonga omenyeto
kwahurra karango nukarabo munu baturangirira ngo hirwa romotara harho abashaho
Health Center 3
chimeza mu kuchebera bakafunga cyo rwire kandi abashaho babene mu cyo baratubuza je baratugaruka mu je akucondoza yenda ngo amanye cyo rwire mu gendo amanye cyo rwire rero bakwimubaza
bamwe abanyamutara basimere abantu abajireyo okubakwatiraho amakuraga gasha kwa Abraham Muganze na Ben Muhoze ahabwa TV West.